Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about computer hardware. In part 1, I will be explaining about input devices. Please do watch the video till the end. As we all know, computer is an electronic machine that performs four important functions. It receives data and instructions as input, processes data as per the given instructions. After processing, gives useful output for display. This output can be stored on storage devices for future use. Do you know, to perform all these operations, we need devices that are our hardware devices. Hardware devices are the physical component of computer that we can touch and feel. A computer system basically consists of following physical components: input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices. Now starting with our input devices, ये वो devices हैं जो कंप्यूटर को input देने में मदद करते हैं. The devices that help us to enter information into computer are known as input devices. कंप्यूटर को high level language नहीं समझ में आती है. It works only in लो लेवल लैंग्वेज और मशीन लेवल लैंग्वेज, जो कि 0 और 1 के फॉर्म में लिखी जाती है. इसीलिए जो भी डेटा इंस्ट्रक्शंस इनपुट डिवाइसेस द्वारा दिए जाते हैं वो बाइनरी फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किए जाते हैं एंड देन दे कैन बी इजीली अंडरस्टूड बाय कंप्यूटर. नाउ लेट्स सी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इनपुट डिवाइसेस, स्टार्टिंग विद आवर मेन इनपुट डिवाइस, कीबोर्ड. कीबोर्ड एक इनपुट डिवाइस है जिसमें बहुत सारी कीज़ होती हैं. इन कीज़ को प्रेस करके हम कंप्यूटर में डेटा एंटर कर सकते हैं. ये टाइपराइटर की तरह दिखता है. जैसे ही हम कोई की प्रेस करते हैं उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग उसका बाइनरी कोड जनरेट हो जाता है और कंप्यूटर को दे दिया जाता है. कंप्यूटर उस कोड का यूज़ करके करस्पॉन्डिंग डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. वी हैव 5 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कीज़ इन अ कीबोर्ड: कंट्रोल कीज़, function keys, alphanumeric keys, navigation keys and numeric keys. Each of these keys performs their corresponding functions. Now moving to our next input device, mouse. It is a pointing device used to point and select items on the monitor screen. हम जिस डायरेक्शन में माउस को मूव करते हैं माउस पैड या फ्लैट सरफेस पे, करस्पॉन्डिंग माउस पॉइंटर also moves in the same direction on the monitor screen. It can be wired or wireless. Wired mouse has basically 4 parts: mouse wire, left click, scroll wheel and right click. Now moving to our pen shaped device, light pen. ये एक पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस होता है जिसकी हेल्प से हम किसी भी ऑप्शन को मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पे डायरेक्टली पॉइंट करके सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इट कंटेन्स अ फोटो सेल दैट सेंसेस द पोजीशन व्हेन पेन टिप इज इन कांटेक्ट विद द स्क्रीन. लाइट पेन इज मोस्टली यूज्ड बाय इंजीनियर्स, आर्किटेक्ट्स और डिजाइनर्स फॉर ड्राइंग फिगर्स डायरेक्टली ऑन द स्क्रीन. It resembles just like a mouse. It is trackball. As the name suggests, it has a ball that can be rotated in different directions to move the pointer on the screen. Usually found in laptops. Main difference between trackball and mouse is that trackball is a stationary pointing device, whereas mouse we can move in any direction. Children love to use this. This is joystick. As the name suggests, it consists of a vertical stick that can be moved to control the movement of on-screen objects. Basically used for playing computer games. We can also use keyboard for playing games, but joystick provides a better control. Loved by designers, it is graphics tablet. It is also known as digitizer. It is very similar to our pen paper drawing. It allows users to create digital drawings by hand using a pen called stylus. It is basically used in computer-aided designing and by engineers. Moving on to the next is scanner. A scanner is an input device that helps us to convert our photograph or printed document into digital form. Or we can say that it helps us to convert hard copy into soft copy form. Basically, there are two types of scanners: flatbed scanner and drum scanner. Used for capturing movements, it is our digital camera. A digital camera takes video or still photographs by recording images on light sensitive sensor. It helps in displaying an image soon after it is recorded. It has the capacity to store thousands of images. We can also record videos with sound and edit images. We can also transfer these images into computer by connecting the digital camera through data cable and share with our friends. Now the next comes our magnetic ink character reader. Human readable characters are printed on documents like checks using a special ink that contains magnetic particles of iron oxide. Magnetic ink character reader reads these characters by examining their shapes. This technology is called magnetic ink character recognition. It is basically used in banks to verify the originality of paper documents, especially checks. Next one is optical mark reader. This is capable of reading pre-specified mark made by pencil or pen with the help of light. This is done as follows. Light is focused on the page that is to be scanned. The reflected light beam is then detected by the device. It is commonly used for grading multiple choice questions answer sheet. The next one is barcode reader. Barcode is a system of representing data using machine readable lines. The most commonly used barcode is Universal Product Code. It is found in most of the groceries item. This code consists of vertical lines that identify the product and the manufacturer. It can be read by a handheld barcode reader. Moving on to the next one is touch screen. It allows the user to interact with the computer by simply touching various elements on the screen. Work as follows. A grid made up of sensing lines determine the location of touch by matching vertical and horizontal contacts. Touchscreens are often used in airlines and railway reservation counters. Last but not the least, microphone. Microphone help us to record our voice into the computer. Microphone works as follows. It converts human voice into electrical signals. This signal is then transmitted to the computer. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Hope you all like it. Soon I will be uploading the part 2 of this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Pranshi Infotech, and do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the video uploaded.